Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, remember to share and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to show latest products in your OpenCart store. Okay, so when you add a product, it will automatically show up on the latest section. Okay, so to do that, you need to have logged in the admin section, and then under extensions, select the extension type as modules, and then look for latest module. By default, it's disabled. I mean, it's awaiting activation or installation. So click on install. Once you've done that, click on edit. So unlike other modules, this one you can only create it once, like only a one instance. Anyway, let's see. So I'll set it to something like test latest, then I'll leave these other ones by default. So for the axis, it's horizontal. That means the products will be aligned from left to right, or will be ordered from left to right. And then for the limit is the actual number of products that you want to show. So in this case, only 5 products. Recent 5 products. Then the image width and height is by default 200. Again, check with your template to ensure there's consistency, otherwise the images will not look nice. Okay, so once you do that, just click on save. Then you can go back to the extension. Let's see if it allows you to, oh, actually it allows you to add more. Okay, so you can add a couple of instances. I was wrong about that. So once you've done that, now the next section is actually showing them. So I'll just go to layouts, and then again on the home page. On the home page, I'll actually just add it below this and test latest. There we go. So I've added on the right column, which means I want it to show right below this. Okay. Once you've done that, click on save and then refresh your page, and you can see all the products are showing. However, it doesn't look nice. So you can do some configurations. Let's see what happens when we change the axis to vertical. So I've changed, and that's how it will actually show. So you'll realize it looks a little bit better than before. So you could still go ahead and do some modification. However, the default latest module doesn't have much control. So you will need some development, or maybe buy a custom module out there to get more functionality. And again, that's what I do. If you need it updated or customized to your requirements, you can definitely reach out so that I help you do that. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave type under this comment section, and I'll be glad to help. See you in the next video.